Okay, guys, in this video, we're going to repeat what we just did, but in this case, the linear equation has a fraction coefficient. So it is really doesn't matter whether it's a fraction, not a fraction. And we just want to pick the values of x so that the y values are integers, because you cannot place a fractional value on this grid. It's just going to only have like whole numbers. So go under resources, open a calculator. And again, what I'm going to do is just type this equation, the right hand side of it. But in place of x, I'm going to put parentheses. So first a fraction. So you have this right here on the toolbar, and that makes it a fraction. And we're just going to put 1 on the top, 5 on the bottom. Then I'm going to put again open close parentheses. So wherever I see x, I just substitute that, and then minus 5. And now inside the parentheses, I am going to pick the values that it tells me to pick. So why does it want -5 as opposed to, for example, -1? Well, if you tried -1, you would see that that is, if you click on this button to convert to a fraction, that is a fraction. You will not be able to plot that because it only allows you to plot whole numbers. So you can only plot stuff that will come out to be a whole number or integer value. Okay, so let's try -5. So you can see that at -5, it's -6. So we will be able to plot that point. Okay, now what happens at 0? So, well, at 0, it's going to be -5 because 0 times 1/5 is 0. But, you know, if you don't want to think, then just put 0 in the parentheses and it'll tell you what it is. And then at 5, we're going to change this to 5. That's -4. So here I have 5, -4. All right, so in order to plot my line, I can pick any two of these 3 points, whichever ones I want. So first, I'm just going to draw the line at random, and then I'm going to adjust the points. So the first point, for example, is 0, -5. So I'm going to hover over the point, so it becomes that like white cross back and forth. And I'm going to go to 0, -5, which means that I'm not going right or left, but from the origin, I'm going to move 5 down. So that's 0, -5. And the other point is, let's say 5, -4. So that means I'm going to go 5 to the right and 4 down. And there's my other point.